Jackson, watching TV? Watching TV? Alright. Time to be held like a baby. Sorry. There you go.
Hi, buddy.
What you doing over there?
Hi. Jackson.
Oh, I'm sorry, that was mean. Alright, time to be held like a baby.
Are you drooling?
See, I'm a big boy. I don't want to be held like a baby. I'm a big boy. I'm a real